Welcome to Localize. In this video, we'll show you how to use the in-context editor directly on your website. The in-context editor is the best way to view and edit translations on your website in real time. To get to the in-context editor, click on the in-context editor link in the Phrases menu. Enter in the site URL that you want to review and click Submit. Your website will be displayed and the in-context editor will be open next to it. Select the language that you are translating to from the drop-down list. Phrases will be outlined on your website with a specific color that corresponds to the bin that the phrases are in. You can toggle the various bins on and off to filter the list of phrases and to show or hide the outlining of phrases on your web page. Click on a phrase in the page to add or edit the translation. The changes are seen in your web page immediately. When you are done editing the phrase, click on View All Phrases to see the full list of phrases, or simply click on another phrase to edit. To find a specific phrase, start typing part of the phrase in the search bar. To clear the search term, click the X. To move the in-context editor window, you can either pin it to the right side of the screen, move it to wherever you want by clicking and dragging the top part of the window, or pin it to the left side of the screen. To navigate to another page on your website, double-click on a link or button on your website. Then you can continue to review translations on the new page. When done, click the Back to Dashboard button. By allowing translators to edit translations directly on your website, you will find that the in-context editor will shorten the time that it takes to translate your content and will reduce the overall cost of translation.